Hi, this is Eurocar Upgrades. We've just fitted a Westfalia European Towbar Invisible to this X5 E70. I'm just going to give you a demonstration on how to use the gooseneck. What you do is, this is the key, so you can remove it, and there's a little cover that goes over that to protect it when you're not using it. Push the key in, turn it half turn, pull this away from the gooseneck and twist and lock it into place. Once that's locked into place, we're going to move down and insert it into the hole underneath. You want to get right underneath here, and the hole's just there. You just literally push it up and lock it into place. You also have the 13-pin European wiring kit. That's it there, and it moves out of the way. There's a little bracket that comes with the tow bar, so you can move the wiring out of the way if you push it up, so you can't see it. It's invisible, and it protects it from anything on the road. So as you can see, you just pull that down, and there's your 13 pin, and then you move it out of the way. To unlock this, if you come around this way, you just simply pull it out again and twist it forward all the way, and then just falls out. Okay, so that's in the unlock position, and then you can just pop it back in as you need to. Thank you for listening.